No, it's an email. I can't do this anymore, Fashion Nova. I think you and we need a break. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bethany. As you can tell from the title, today I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my go-to snatch, glow up, suck it in, pluck it, tuck it, beat flawless face. You feel me? I'm sorry, that was hella extra. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my flawless makeup done. This is by far my favorite go-to makeup routine that I do. So I don't want to keep you guys any longer, but before going into the video, if you haven't already, hit that subscription button. And if you're new to my channel, huge thank you for watching. Join the fam, hit that subscription button, and even that notification bell so you're notified when I do post my next video. And you know you're gonna like what you're seeing. You're gonna like it. I know you're gonna be back. I know for a fact you're gonna be back. So I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't. So for today's look, we're gonna go ahead and just snatch everybody's edges. We are going to come collect that bag, that check, with this face. You know what I'm saying? Well, not this face, but the face you will see in a few minutes. We're not doing this video, Bethany. We are not doing it this video. So you better come and collect yourself, okay? Because I ain't got time to edit this and cut all these ish out. So stop, okay? Why can't I ever just act normal? That's my question. Like, I can never. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Fit Me concealer and just conceal underneath my eyes. This is in the shade 30. I also like to conceal around my nose and just above my lip, and then go in with my beauty blender. So whatever I have left on my sponge, I just go ahead and highlight my forehead, my nose, and my chin. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and sculpt and contour my face. So using the same thing as the Fit Me concealer, but just in the shade 60. I don't like to contour my nose a lot, but when I do, I just like to place it up here. And then using a small angle brush, I just go ahead and like bring it down. Okay, so next I'm going to take my Anastasia bronzer in Mahogany. I'm just going to go ahead and take this and go over everywhere that I contoured. Next, before going into my eyes and my eyebrows, I like to go ahead and set wherever I highlighted with the Fenty powder. And I use this one in Banana. this sets, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows. So using the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, I just go ahead and use the blackout. Okay, so next I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So before doing my eyeshadow, I like to go ahead and just take the same concealer and place it on my eyelids so that the colors that I use in my palette shows very well and that it's very pigmented. Okay, so next, using my Morphe palette, and this one is the 3502. This palette, yo, when I open it, woo, yo, like, you guys not ready. You're not ready. When I saw this palette, I thought to myself, Beth, you've been sleeping on Morphe. So this is how the palette looks. It looks a lot brighter on screen, but in person, y'all, sauce and fire. Y'all need to get your hands on one of these, I'm telling you. The one color that I love to use a lot is Orb. I just work that a lot in my crease. It works well with blending with other colors. Next, I'm just gonna go ahead and take, this one is Spice, and I like to just cover the rest of my lid with this. Now, this is not a Beth look without that inner corner highlight. So what I love to use is Pure. I use this a lot. It's a very good highlight. I feel like this works a lot with everything. Oh, it does. It brings the look together. Like, before I go ahead and add on my mascara, I like to go ahead and take off all of the extra powder that I have left on my face using the Studio Matte Fix powder, and this is in the shade NW43, and it looks just like, ooh, I've just been sticking to this powder forever. It gives it a nice matte finish. So for those who do have oily skin, I do suggest trying this out. So again, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush off. Ooh, no, not on my turtleneck. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush off all of the extra powder. And next is lashes. So I do have my lashes done. I just go ahead and take a spoolie and just brush it just to take off any of the kickback from the eyeshadow. I like to go ahead and put mascara on my bottom lashes. Before I finish the entire look, we gotta add the cherry on top. We got to. Using the e.l.f. blush palette, and this one is in dark, so hopefully you guys could probably see it. Again, it is a lot lighter in the camera. Go ahead and take the top one right here as my blush. After all of this work, your lips may feel really crusty. They might look a little dusty, but we got a solution for that. And that solution is the NYX Powder Puff Lippie, and this one is in the Cool Intention. It's gonna be excited, y'all. It's gonna be excited. Ugh. And y'all, I think we are done here. We have a look. I think we have a look. Hi. Wow. Y'all, I love this look so much. I hope you guys love it as well. So like always, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you are always notified when I do post my next video. Again, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will see you in my next video.